Alright, this is not my bike, but it's the King Curb. My friend left it here, so I just decided to make him a little bike check. It's all stocked, just to tell you. Alright, we'll start from the front. He's got the Fit King Curb bars, grips, King bar ends, Mission stem, King Curb forks, Alienation, black rim, black spokes, black hub. Got the Kink 25 decimal sprocket and a Mission components crank, and then not sure what kind of pedals these are. It doesn't say. It says K174 right there, so I'm not really sure. He's got a King seat with a King seat post and Mission C clamp, stock King chain, and just a regular Alienation back rim with a Mission back hub. He actually is like in love with his bike. I do not personally like this Kink. I just don't like how it rides, and I bent his pedal. As you can see, it really, this one, it really doesn't spin now. So, I'm not sure if you see it. It doesn't really spin, it kind of wobbles. He wants to buy a new stem in blue, and he wants to paint his bars red and his fork silver. So,